Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monlisa Rambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The second day of the SDB Change Congress on the 20th of September was an intense day of interventions and appointments, which began with the greeting of God. Jau Bras de Avis, prefect of the Congregation for Institutes of Consecrated Life and Societies of Apostolic Life. In his address, the Cardinal also reviewed the Church's magisterium in relation to the task and roles of the religious administrator or economer, which he then summarized in 3 phrases: finalizing every resource to the mission, accounting for choices, acts and results, and ensuring that assets are also protected civilly and that canonical and civil norms are respected. 12,000 kilometers separate the town of Boreto in the province of Reggio Emilia, Italy, from the city of Bahia Blanca in the southern part of province of Buenos Aires, Argentina. Like millions of families at the time, the Zati emigrated to America in search of better living conditions. A new landscape, a new culture, and a new language welcomed a young Artemide, a saint who lived some of the dreams and hardships, the longings and joys experienced by every migrant who leaves their homeland. In the second half of the 19th century, the Italian social system and agrarian structure underwent a serious crisis that affected small farmers and sharecroppers. The shift from the countryside to the city, caused by industrialization, together with the concentration of the rural property and the growth of poverty, pushed Italian farmers to emigrate to America. Don Bosco College, Golgagad, Assam, has been accredited with a B+ grade by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council NAAC Bengaluru, affiliated with Diburag University and run by the Salesians of Don Bosco, Dimapur Province. The college was started in 2015 and scored a CGPA of 2.70 on a 7-point scale in its first cycle of assessment. A 3-member NAAC peer team visited the college on September 2nd and 3rd and applauded the college for its well-equipped IT infrastructure and a fully solar-powered campus. The peer team members appreciated the various initiatives like digital classrooms and model learning management system, Big Blue Button software for uninterrupted learning. The team also spoke positively about the students' diversity and discipline of the college. An experience above expectations, capable of opening new horizons to be kept as a gift from the Lord. Enthusiastic are the comments of the participants in the second edition of the Salesian School of Spiritual Accompaniment for Italian, Spanish and Portuguese speaking Salesians carried out on the Salesian places between Valdoco and Castelnuovo, Don Bosco from August 17 to September 19. A total of 22 Salesians from 17 provinces participated in this edition. Coordinated by Brother Raymond Callo, SDB, of the Sector of Formation, and Father Fabio Attard, Coordinator of Formation of Salesians and laity in Europe, the school experience also saw the presence in the final phase of the General Counsellor for Formation, Father Ivo Collio. About 180 young animators of the Salesian Youth Movement, SYM, in Caracas, met with the Salesians to thank them for the Oratorian experiences they enjoyed in August. It was a time to pray, reward, evaluate and continue the journey proposed by the Salesian province, St. Luke of Venezuela. The province delegate for youth ministry, Father George Bastidas, invited the youth to look through the eyes of Jesus, the Good Shepherd, and have the courage of Don Bosco to continue building a better Venezuela through oratories and youth centers. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.